It's been a rough ride since I started investing in Bitcoin. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at how that investment has been going over the last 246 days. If you've been following this part of my investing journey since the beginning of August 1st of 2025, then you know I started investing in Bitcoin near the top. We were around $126,000 per coin when I started investing in this particular position. And since the beginning of the year, this position has continued to decline every single day. Let's take a look and see how Bitcoin was trading over the last 3 months in January of 2026. If you take a look at the chart here, you'll see we were riding high right here. If you take a look at the left part of this chart, everything was fine. I was continuing the dollar cost average into this position. And my expectation is maybe we would pull back, but we would probably remain flat. But I was wrong. As you can see on the chart, we had a steep pullback on the chart here. And since that time, we kind of struggled right in this band where it seems like we're going to hit 70,000 and pass it, but it continues to reject and head back down. If we take a look at this chart right here, this is the last 1 year of trading in Bitcoin. And it's a very similar story than the year to date or the 3-month chart that I just showed you. It shows that Bitcoin was pretty flat. There wasn't much fluctuation in the chart until you hit right around the beginning of 2026 when everything started to change. And as of today, as of right now, Bitcoin is trading at $66,857. And that is a large difference from where I started investing in this position when we were around $126,000 per coin. The cryptocurrency market had a similar story as the stock market. At the end of 2025, we were riding high, things were looking good. And then at the beginning of the year, things started to shift and we had tremendous movement downward in both markets. And right now, with everything going on in the world, there's a lot of instability and I don't know where these markets are actually going to keep heading. All right, so now we're going to take a look at how my investment in Bitcoin has been going. I haven't looked at this yet because I like to review these with you guys in real time. So right now we're taking a look at my investment here and I have a total of 0.0195 shares of Bitcoin, which is not a lot, but based on where the price is at, it's starting to go up. It's going to be a slow process because I am investing $10 a day or $50 a week into this position. It's going to take me a while to build up a position in Bitcoin. So I have a total value of $1,309.44 and I have an average cost of $91,013.17. And right below portfolio diversity, we'll see that on the day I'm down $5.53 or almost 0.5%. So 0.42%. I'm down just today in this position. And then my total return since I started investing in this position, I'm down 26.53%. And that equates to $472.94. So when I started investing in this position, it was near all-time highs in Bitcoin. And I knew investing at all-time highs had risks. Pullback risk. I didn't know that we would pull back almost 50% in this position, but I'm starting to understand that cryptocurrency is extremely volatile. The stock market is volatile. Cryptocurrency is volatility on steroids. All right, now we're just going to quickly review some of the stats on Bitcoin. So it has a 52-week high. So the highest price that Bitcoin has traded at over a 1-year period, $126,238.22. And unfortunately, that's around the time I started investing in Bitcoin. In the 24-hour volume, 8.87 billion. That's insane. That's still a lot of trading for this price to continue to stay in this band. A 52-week low, so the lowest price over the last 1 year, $60,212.26, and a market cap of 1.34 trillion. So still a tremendous market cap for Bitcoin. I still think that it's a viable investment, and I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into this every single week. And then if we take a look right below that, we see that there's over 20 million Bitcoin circulating in supply. All right, so now I'm just going to take a look at some of the comments that you guys left on my last update video. So the very first one is it hit 70K last night. This was a month ago, a little over a month ago, where it hit 70,000. As of right now, we're trading under 70,000 again. So I don't know if 70,000 is the resistance and we're going to try to continue to hit that and then go back down towards the 52-week low. But it's going to be interesting to see if we stay in that $10,000 band or not. The next comment here, precious metals are always the way to go. They have held their value since the beginning of time and will continue to do so. I agree. I invest in precious metals, gold and silver in my 401k. But I also wanted to invest in Bitcoin. I know that there's some people out there that are no longer believers in the cryptocurrency space. I'm not a crypto bro, but I'm going to continue to invest in this position and see what happens, see if it bounces back and continue to pull my average down. And I'm going to just keep my eyes open to understand what's going on overall in this space. And then the next comment here is Bitcoin has 1,064-day cycle. It only goes up for 364 days. So I don't know if there's any truth or validity to that. Someone could, maybe leave a comment down below and let me know. I'm not a crypto bro and understand the cycles of cryptocurrency and how they move. So if that's true, somebody leave a comment down below and let me know. And then the last comment that I'll read right here, you're doing the right thing, bro. Anybody who stays in Bitcoin for 4 to 5 years will definitely be profitable. All the best. Yeah, see, that's my plan, right? I don't have any plans right now of jumping out of this position in Bitcoin. I'm going to continue to invest in it. I may or may not pull this back to $5 a day and increase my investment in VTI to $10 instead of $5. I don't know yet. I've been kind of thinking about that a little bit, but as of right now, I'm staying in this position and don't have any plans to abandon ship. All right, so that's my 246-day overview of how my investment in Bitcoin is going. And right now I'm down almost 27% since I started investing in this position. And the price of Bitcoin continues to stay in this band. And I have no idea where we're going to be heading in the next few months in the cryptocurrency space, but I'm going to continue to dollar cost average every single week and see what happens. So what do you guys think? Is cryptocurrency still worthy of investing in, or have you jumped ship and moved those investment dollars to other places? Leave a comment down below and let me know.